Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Portronics C Konnect USB-C type multi-port adapter. This is, as the name suggests and the picture suggests, this is a multi-port adapter for HDMI, USB and Type-C as well. Let's quickly see what other information is there on the box. As mentioned, there are like 3 ports over here. HDMI port, USB 3.0 and PD, 100 watt PD output as well. What's written here: super speed USB 3 up to 5 gigabytes per second of connection, backward compatible with USB 2.0, which is very important. And that's more or less it. Let's just open it and see what this adapter looks like. Okay, this is what the adapter looks like. Let's take it out. It's very nicely fitted in this particular groove, by the way. Yep. And so yeah, this is what it looks like. You can see the Portronics logo right on top, right here. It's Type-C, HDMI and USB written as, and there it is. That's your Type-C, that's your HDMI, that's your USB-A port. And the other end is a Type-C that also comes with a small cover. Not a bad touch really. Let's keep this back over here and see what else is there in the box. We have a user manual, and that's it. This is all you will find inside the box containing the Portronics C Konnect USB-C type multi-port adapter. Thank you for watching.